Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable W-9 collection with DocuSign for contractor tax compliance, full guide step by step clearly. To enable W-9 collection with DocuSign for contractor tax compliance, start by logging into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section on the dashboard. Click on New and select Template from the drop-down menu. Name your template something easily identifiable, like W-9 collection template. Next, upload the W-9 form into your template. Ensure that your uploaded file is in PDF format for best compatibility. After uploading, drag and drop the necessary fields onto the document, such as name, address, and tax identification number. Set each field's properties to make them required, ensuring contractors fill them out completely. Once you have placed all necessary fields, save your template. Now, go back to the dashboard and select Send an envelope. Choose your newly created W-9 template from the template list. Add the email addresses of the contractors who need to complete the W-9 form. You can customize the message they will receive for clarity. Before sending, review the document one last time to confirm all fields are correctly placed. After verification, click Send to distribute the W-9 forms to your contractors. Once your contractors receive the email, they can easily fill out the form digitally. After they submit their W-9, you will receive notifications in your DocuSign account. You can track the status of each submission directly from the dashboard. Once all forms are collected, download them for your tax compliance records. Finally, ensure you maintain these records securely for potential audits or reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.